is celebrating its 25th anniversary through bold collaborations, and one standout release is the NX Diadora N9000 Strawberries and Cream. The design, inspired by Wimbledon, showcases premium suede, reflective 3M accents, and an outsole reflecting the tournament's signature tones. This launch extends N's food-inspired sneaker narrative, following earlier pairs like the Grappa and Limoncello, but marks the debut of the N9000 silhouette in their joint catalog. It also continues the greengrocer storytelling first introduced in the anniversary lineup, hinting at more themed releases to come. The project not only strengthens the long-standing relationship between N and Diadora but also highlights their ability to blend sport, culture, and culinary references into footwear design. The sneaker will first drop via raffle on N's website on August 23, with a wider global release on Diadora.com scheduled for September 4.